May's Phonics Workbook. Video lecture number 16th. Read, color, read, color, read, color. Nap, nap, nap. Cap, cap, cap. Tap, tap, tap. Map, map, map. Video lecture number 17th. Circle, color, circle, color, circle, color. Circle and color the object which has similar sound. Circle and color the object which has similar sound. Tell the students to look at the first picture and find out the similar picture in this line. What is this? This is cap. Is it cap? No. Is it cap? Yes, this is cap. Now circle the cap. What is this? Map. Is it map? Yes, it is already circled. What is this? This is tab. Is it tab? No. Is it tab? Yes. This is tab. Now circle the tab. What is this? Nap. This is nap. Is it nap? No. Is it nap? No. Is it nap? Yes. Now circle the nap. Video lecture number 18th. Read, match, color. Read, match, color. Read, match, color. This is the name of nap. Now find out the picture of nap. It is nap. No. It is nap. No. It is nap. Yes. Now match the name of nap with its picture. This is the name of map. Now find out the picture of map. Is it map? No. Is it map? No. Is it map? No. Is it map? Yes. Now match the name of map with its picture. This is the name of tab. Is it tab? Yes, this is tab. Now match the name of tab with its picture. This is the name of cap. Now find out the picture of cap. Is it cap? No. Is it cap? Yes. Now match the name of cap with its picture. Video lecture number 19th. Read, color. Read, color. Read, color. Wet, wet, wet. Jet, jet, jet. Net, net, net. Set, set, set. Video lecture number 20. Circle, color. Circle, color. Circle, color. Circle and color the object which has similar sound. Circle and color the object which has similar sound. What is this? This is jet. Find out the jet in this line. Is it jet? No. Is it jet? Yes. This is jet. Now circle the jet. What is this? This is net. Is it net? Yes, now circle the net. What is this? Set. This is set. Is it set? No. Is it set? No. Is it set? Yes, it is already circled. What is this? Wet. This is wet. Is it wet? No. Is it wet? Yes. Now circle the picture of wet. Video lecture number 21. Read, match, color. Read, match, color. Read, match, color. This is the name of net. Now find out the net. It is net? No. Is it net? No. Is it net? Yes, this is net. Now match the name of net with its picture. This is the name of wet. Is it wet? No. Is it wet? Yes, this is the picture of wet. Now match the name of wet with its picture. This is the name of set. This is set. Now find out the picture of set. Is it set? No. Is it set? No. Is it set? No. Is it set? Yes, this is the picture of set. Now match the name of set with its picture. This is the name of jet. Now find out the picture of jet. Is it jet? Yes, this is jet. Now match the name of jet with its picture.